News Alert.
19 News crews live everywhere working on breaking news stories that is impacting you. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Fry.
And I'm Tiffany Tucker. We are starting off with breaking new details on a suspected road rage murder.
Yeah, gunfire on a busy local street in broad daylight. One person dead, two suspects behind bars.
We have team coverage on this deadly shooting. We start with Harry Boomer in Valley View with what we know at this hour.
Well, guys, the deadly shooting happened about a quarter of a mile down the roadway there, here on Brecksville Road. BCI has taken over the investigation, but they haven't spoken to us yet. But Valley View Police Chief Dave Nero gave us some preliminary details of what happened, and the rest of our information comes from police dispatch video and audio broadcastify.
We have the gunshot wound, bleeding heavily. They're applying no idea where the shooter is. PD's en route.
Several officers rushed to Brecksville Road in Valley View this morning. A driver shot to death in an apparent road rage incident. This is police dispatch audio as information was coming in.
There is a male that should be laying in the middle of the roadway. Another witness is saying the suspect was in a white SUV, possibly a Chrysler.
A close look at this van doesn't show any bullet holes and just one casing on the ground that we could see, leaving several unanswered questions. What led up to the gunfire, and who are the people involved?
Someone's with him. He's laying right in the middle of the roadway.
The suspects in the case drove off but were captured a short time later. Coming up at 6, we'll have the very latest on this story. As we can gather it, we'll give it to you. Harry Boomer, 19 News.